Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn and Apply with Mohit. Today we are going to learn two functions, mode function and rank function. First, let's learn what is mode function. This is the same data set which I have taken from Suppose 2 sales. This is my mode function, mode C2 to C15. Mode is maximum number of operands of any number. So 3 occur 2 times, 7 occurs 2 times, 5 occurs 1, cool, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So mode should be 5. Certified type mode here. No, but just so I'm going to the rank function. Rank. Number. Any number you do? Let's say 1706. Well, just times 8. Your friends. Our reference are use range as a reference and order. Descending or ascending? Just here based on how. It should be done with 2. And suppose I'm doing ranking of number on let's say 49. Hey friends, I'm V. This. And this one ascending. So it should on the rank of 6. Because so this is all about mode and lamp function. In the next video, we'll talk about math-based function and after that text-based functions, which are going to be most interesting. The next 2 videos are most helpful. That's all for today. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm happy learning all that.